It's launch day, everybody. New sticker and t-shirt designs made by yours truly. Available for pre-order now. Show your love for the Twin Cam and pre-order your I Prefer Twins sticker now. Head on over to refine-movement.com to pre-order sticker or shirt. And did you miss out last time on the Still Single sticker launch? Are you still single? Well, we have more of our D-Series Still Single stickers back in stock. Go head on over to refine-movement.com to pre-order. We also have t-shirts available. Check them out in the link below. Okay, so we have some really cool Hawk Performance parts to install today. And I want to say a massive thank you to Chad at the marketing department over at Hawk and the whole company. They've been super kind in helping out the daily EK build. I've used their products on my Project EG race car here, and I'm super happy with them, so I'm more than happy to put them on my daily EK as well. You saw the fluid come out of that thing, right? Like, oh my God, I've been driving on that thing for so long, and that fluid is so old in there, and what? Hey, bro, just show us the parts, bro. Yeah, okay, man, I just, wanted to say thanks, awesome company and all. Yeah, we get it. Show us the parts, bro. So here we go. Hawk Performance, Talon rotors, and Street 5.0 brake pads, along with Performance ceramic brake pads. Now first, these rotors. Don't these things look awesome? I mean, come on, man. That's really, really cool. I love that matte charcoal kind of finish. Man, it's gonna look awesome down in there. A nice slotted and drilled design, really cool. And then Hawk was super kind and sent 2 different versions of brake pads. What I'm gonna be using is the Performance Street 5.0. We wanna go for a little more performance. I mean, come on, let's be real here. But we also have these Performance ceramics, which they were saying these are a dustless version. They're super, super no dust. These guys will create a little bit of dust, but we want that performance, so we're gonna go ahead with that. And y'all saw we already put in the .4 brake fluid. That's the new stuff, and that's what came out of the car. Here we go with the pads that were on there. Now these guys weren't squealing yet, but they had been on there for a while, and I was thinking they had to be getting pretty low on pad, and sure enough, they pretty much are. Those are pretty much down there, getting ready to start squealing, huh? So here we go. We're going to be using these Hawk Street 5.0 pads. These are a little bit more performance oriented. Really excited to be trying these guys out. Definitely got some more meat there to it, huh? But yeah, really cool. Thank you, what nice support. All right, got the big guns now. Oh, hooray for the breaker bar. Wins again. Brake bracket is off, caliper, here comes the real test. Let's see, Phillips head after 20 something years. Let's see, they're gonna move. I'll really try to put my weight into this thing before I turn it. Oh boy. All right, so if you watch Refined Movement for any amount of time, you know that I am no stranger to struggle and adversity on this channel. Here we are again. So just to top it off, you know, it's raining outside, so fitting. So I have not done this job before. The rotors are the same as have been on the car since I have had it. These little screws right here, yeah, done. So yeah, definitely through my own fault. I went ahead and just went up in there with the Phillips head and just gave it a real good turn. Boom, stripped almost immediately. And I'm like, oh God, maybe it needs more torque. So then I go ahead and use, you know, the old gun here and strips it just a little bit more. You know, I just bring this on myself, people. This is a super common problem. I definitely had the same problem on my EG. I kind of knew it was coming. I was just hoping it would be good since I've never done this job in this car, but you know, that just is what it is. Again, adversity on Refined Movement, no stranger to it. I have a couple different things that I'm gonna try here. I saw a really cool method that Eric the car guy uses, where he uses not one, but two hammers. Anytime I do car work with hammers, something just feels really funny, feels really Top Gear Clarkson-esque to me. Essentially what Eric was talking about is you use the ball end of the one, put it up against screw here, and then we're gonna hit the other end, and we're gonna see if we could just kind of loosen the thing up, break it free a little bit. Then I have this punch. See how there's a nice end to it there. Kind of just put it up in there and see if we can start to work the thing. So I'm gonna try those methods first. If that does not work, we're gonna have to resort to finally just trying to drill the thing out, which I don't think would be a big deal. I've seen quite a few people doing it. So here, let's try this first. The ball end on this guy. Give this the old whack. Okay, so I went ahead and hit this thing, both of these screws here with a hammer a few different times, or whack, you know, and tried using that punch, try to just move the screw, nothing. And just so you guys know, I've had PB Blaster sitting on these bolts. So, you know, in typical Refined Movement fashion, we just need to go to the most extreme method. It may be crude, but it works. Just gotta get that one. Yo. All right, so happy times again. The drilling has stopped, the screws are out, even the rain has stopped. Sometimes, man, we just go through it on this channel. That's just what we do. Now, according to the Hawk instructions here, the passenger side is what I'm working on. See how the slots are kind of being curved towards the front of the car? So this is the one I got right here. All right, so first off, I'm gonna reload this brake caliper bracket onto the back here. And you know, I am gonna be using this stock caliper again. I know I can definitely upgrade to something 2-piston, 3-4, whatever it is, but again, this is my daily driver, and I really do feel that just the brake pad upgrade and with a new rotor is going to make a huge difference for me. So again, these guys are Hawk Street 5.0 pads. Looking really nice. Very cool. Got all 4 pads in here, inside. The other side. Hawk is just so sweet. They even provide their own grease pack with it. And a sticker. I mean, come on. And for the passenger side, which I'm on, these are the pads here. I tried messing with that hammer at first, but that clearly is not going to do it. So out comes the C-clamp. Now, I will never claim to be the best mechanic that you've seen on YouTube. In fact, I'm very much a DIY, figure it out kind of guy. But I will tell you, having the right tool is everything. You could struggle with that hammer all day long trying to press this thing back in. C-clamp does it no problem. So I got the grease on the inside pad there. I'm gonna grease this up as I see where these are gonna fall over it. But yeah, man, having the right tool is like so much of the battle. It took me a long time to figure that out, of just being stubborn and trying to use the same tools again and again and again and just fighting stuff. And, man, what a lesson learned. So I want to say a huge thank you to Hawk, Chad in the marketing department, the whole company, Hawk Performance. Thank you guys for supporting the Daily EK. Go ahead and check out the link in the description below, and thank you all for watching.